Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the brightness on a Honda CR-V. This will be a set of easy instructions and a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So once again, the topic of this video is me showing you and telling you how to adjust the brightness on a Honda CR-V, and these will be easy instructions. Let's get into this. So essentially, if you want to adjust the brightness of your dashboard, of your display unit, your infotainment system, this is how to do it. It's really, really easy to do. There's a button right here, and this button allows you to adjust the brightness on your CR-V. So I'm going to press it once and just show you what pops up. So I'm going to press it over here. Sorry, I'm looking through the camera, so it's a little bit hard. So sorry about that. Give me a second. There we go. So I'll show you why that happened in a moment. And I'm looking at it through the camera, so my finger's a little bit, where I'm pushing in reality is different than what it looks like I'm pushing, because I'm looking at my finger through the camera, but in reality the camera's off to the side compared to my body. So anyways, I'm going to try that again. I'm going to push this button and I'm going to look at my finger so I know that I'm pushing it. And what pops up is a brightness option. So you can use the plus or minus buttons there to adjust the brightness to be higher or lower. Now, I can press this multiple times and it will change what brightness I'm adjusting. You can see there's a daytime symbol there. If I want to adjust the nighttime brightness, I press it again, and I can press it a third time to turn the screen off. If you want to turn the screen back on, push the brightness button again, and you can see we're back to the daytime mode. So essentially, let's say I wanted to adjust the daytime brightness, I would push the brightness button. We have the daytime option. I'm going to push the minus to bring the brightness down, or I can push the plus to bring the brightness up. And if I want to adjust the nighttime, I would push the brightness button again. We would adjust the nighttime mode, and I can press it another time to turn it off. And that's essentially it. Press it one more time to turn it back on. And that's basically it. That's how to adjust the brightness settings on a Honda CR-V. And just for the record, this is a 2017 Honda CR-V, but it's going to be a very similar process. If you have an older one or a newer one, it's going to be very, very similar. So I figured I'd show you how to do it in this instructional video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.